Hi guys, kamusta? Ako si Red Quaresma at welcome back sa aking channel. At kung bago pa lang kayo sa aking channel, huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe at sipahin na rin tayo ni bell button doon sa baba para updated kayo kung meron akong mga bagong video na i-upload dito sa aking channel. At para sa video ito, another video reaction na naman gagawin ko. So magre-react nga ako guys dito sa full performance ni Marvin Diamante. Si Marvin Diamante kasi guys yung nanalo bilang Mr. International Philippines 2024. Actually si Marvin Diamante meron talaga siyang winning glow. Kitang-kita kasi mula pa lang ng competition ng Mr. International Philippines 2024 from the start and from this final moment, talagang kitang-kita yung winning glow. And to be honest, ang lakas din naman kasi ng kanyang charisma, di ba? And napaka good looking din niya, tapos kitang-kita mo yung willingness niya na manalo bilang Mr. International Philippines 2024. And samahan niyo ako guys na panuorin tong performance niya at mag-umpisa na tayo. Without further ado, let's begin in 1, 2, 3, go. Alright. So ito na guys, bilang tayo ng 3, 2, 1, go. So here we go.
Marvin Diamante,
Laguna! Diba? Talagang kitang-kita yung winning glow sa kanya eh. Gusto ko yung smile niya, pag in-smile niya, yung stage presence, yung charisma niya, overflowing. Tignan niyo naman guys yung walk. Diba? Yung smile niya talaga, killer smile eh. Diba? Ganda? Napaka guys, napaka good looking niya sa screen. Napaka charming, napaka telegenic. Ang perfect din niyang maglakad
Mas pipiliin ko
Tagalog.
yung may talino. Dahil ang physical na anyo ay nababase lamang sa nakikita natin.
Oo.
Pero pagkakaroon ng matalinong pag-iisip ay magdadala sa inyong sa tagumpay.
Yes.
And hindi lamang yung sarili nila yung madadala nila. And of course, ikaw din at yung mga darating pang inyong mga anak. And ito rin yung magsisilbi para kayo yung unlad and magkaroon ng pagbabago sa inyong mga sarili.
Yes.
Thank you.
Very well said.
I can be memorable by sharing my stories. You know what? I joined a lot of pageantry. Yes, I won.
Yeah.
But mostly, I lost. And one day I realized that in order
Yes,
for us
Si
to
Marvin,
become a better
wait lang
person,
guys.
you should start to realign yourself.
Asang pataas
Commercial.
ang electric bill ngayong tag-init? Worry no more, dahil nandito na ang Bali Loan para sa'yo. Enjoy the paperless loan application process dahil with just one valid ID and phone number, pwede ka na humarap ng up to 20,000 pesos.
Embrace all the failures, hardship, and disappointments in life. And I do so. And I'm
Galing.
here in front of you, confidently ready to face all the challenges to become Mr. International Philippines 2024. And my advice to all people out there, even though it took so long to achieve your dreams, please never stop
Very
dreaming.
well said.
Never stop on believing.
Yeah.
Because one day, everything will be worth it.
Okay, mic
And the
drop.
word soon will be replaced with the word finally. And tonight, this is my finally. Thank you.
Ang galing $100,000 worth of in a kind. Ano daw? Grabe yung face card niya, no? Congratulations. Actually guys, talagang pageant veteran na si Marvin Diamante. Mr. Pilipinas pa lang, talagang isa siya sa one of my favorite. Kasi sabi ko, ito may potential talaga na lumaban international. Kasi iba yung yung charisma niya, yung looks niya. Iba talaga. Ang lakas kasi ng dating niya, diba? And congratulations Marvin Diamante. And deserve mo yung title na yan, Mr. International Philippines. And yeah, good luck sa iyong journey bilang Mr. International Philippines 2024. And syempre, susupport ka namin sa Mr. International competition. Support natin si Marvin. Alright? Kung nagustuhan nyo to guys, bigyan nyo ito malaking likes, mag-comment kayo kung meron kang mga request, sabihin na pwede kong gawin dito sa akin channel. You know? Bye!